Lesson 5, Magnets Can Change Things. And in this lesson, students are going to observe how magnets can change things. You're going to start by passing out some magnets and washers to students and giving them just a chance for some free exploration with that for a little bit. They can use other items in their desk as well to see what is attracted to the magnets and what is not. A very important part at the beginning of this lesson is to explain to students that magnets can be harmful to some electronics, and you should probably put one of the no magnet zone signs that are included in your kit around computers and other sensitive equipment. After students have had a chance for some exploration, you'll want to introduce some key vocabulary that will be used during this unit. You'll want to talk about the ideas of how magnets can attract or how they can repel, and about the ideas of the north and south poles on the magnets and how which pole is facing the other impacts whether the magnets are attracting or repelling. Once you've done that, students are going to have a chance to continue to explore with the magnets and different things that they may be attracted to. Each student or each group of students will receive a bag with different items. These are all listed inside of their student workbook. And before any experimentation begins, the students should make predictions about which items they think will be attracted to the magnet and which they will not. Please make sure that they complete that before they start their experiment. Then what students will do is they will work with the different items to see what may or may not be attracted to the magnet. Students may be surprised by some items that are or by some items that are not. A really important thing to remind students at this time is that their prediction being incorrect is not a failure, and scientists actually learn a lot through things that don't go the way that we predicted. We don't want students to change the predictions in their workbooks just so that they feel they are getting a right answer. After they've had a chance to experiment with that, you'll want to have a group discussion talking about what surprised them or what they already knew. And you may want to talk about the makeup of some of the items that were in there and why that would make them either attracted or repelled from the magnet. The next experiment students are going to work on is creating a chain of washers using multiple magnets. They have a place to record this data in their student workbook, again, working with graphing and data collection as part of the Common Core state standards. You'll want to demonstrate to them what we mean when we talk about a washer chain, and that the washers are not overlapped but actually touching end to end. Just to make sure that they are measuring consistently when they are working on this on their own. They will follow a couple step by step, and then once they get to 3 magnets, at that time they'll want to make a prediction of what they think will happen and then test that. There is also a place for them to graph that data after they have completed this.